In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Instagram chats on your iPhone. So it works for iPhone or Android. So what you want to do is go to your Instagram and go to your messages or your chats at the top right corner there. And what you want to do is just go ahead and select anyone that you really want to hear. I'm just going to choose, I guess, this one here. So what you want to do is actually swipe left to the conversation, and you're going to get some options here. But what you really want to focus on are the three dots here. So once you go ahead and click that, you're going to get some options here, and you just want to hit delete, and then it's going to ask you if you still want to delete it and permanently delete the chat. This means that it's going to be deleted. You won't be able to find it. You won't be able to get it back. So you kind of have to make that decision before you really delete it. So I'm going to hit delete, and the chat disappears. You can just keep on going through here and keep swiping and doing the same thing, but that is how you would go about deleting chats on your Instagram account. So I hope this helps you out. I hope it's useful and you're finally able to figure out how to delete chats in a quick manner. And we'll see you in the next video.